Hi everyone, welcome back. It's that time of the week to show you what I'm wearing as far as clothes and wigs. So you can see I didn't wear this dress this week and I didn't wear this outfit this week. So these are a repeat from last week. Then we have a black top and a pair of black and white pants that are similar to the flowered pants I wore last week. And then this pink top. And the same thing, these Walmart pants in a different pattern. Absolutely love them. Then I have this green top with these beige pants. And then I have a white top with these red pants. And then I have a yellow and black top with these black pants. So those are the outfits for the week. So let me take you over and show you the wigs. Okay, so for the wigs, what we have is at the top, we have Sheer Elite in Caramel Praline. Then I have Paula Young's Chris on the right in Auburn Sugar. I have It's a Wig Desiree in P430. Then on the right there, I'm not 100% sure yet whether that's a Chelsea Smith or an Etsy wig. I'm trying to figure that out. Down at the bottom, I have Tressalore's Avery. Then I have Gale that I didn't wear. And then I threw in Winter from Estetica in RH 1488 because I really didn't have any blonde. So just in case I wanted to wear blonde this week, I threw in an extra. So those are the wigs for the week. And hopefully you will stay tuned to my channel to watch them. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. See you in the next one. Bye.